Hello everyone. In the last session I explained 11 to 20 questions. In this session I am going to explain 21 to 30 questions. To get the update videos, you subscribe my channel, share my channel. Now you see the question number 21. Identify the correct statement from the following. Wrought iron is impure iron with 4% carbon. It is a wrong statement. Why? Because the purest form of iron is wrought iron. Next B. Blister copper as blister appearance due to evolution of CO2. It is not evolution of CO2, it is evolution of SO2, therefore it is also a wrong statement. Next C option. Vapor phase refining is carried out for nickel by Van Arkel method. It is not a Van Arkel method, it is a Mond's method, therefore it is also a wrong statement. Next D. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. This is the right statement. Therefore, right answer is D. Next, see the question number 22. A tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than a secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following? Here, the stability of the carbocation is increased by plus R effect as well as hyperconjugation, but hyperconjugation is more dominated over the plus R effect. Therefore, the right answer is D. Therefore, right answer is D. Why? Because more resonance structures are possible in case of tertiary butyl carbocation when compared to secondary butyl carbocation. Secondary butyl carbocation. Therefore, the right answer is D. Next, which of the following is cationic detergent? Which of the following is cationic detergent? Here, detergents are three types: cationic, anionic, and non-ionic. In case of cationic detergents, the long carbon chain of acetate or chlorides and bromides and ammonium salts form a cationic detergents. And in case of anionic detergents, sodium alkyl sulfate, sodium alkyl benzene sulfate. So these are the anionic detergents. Therefore, the right answer is C. Why? Because cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. So it carries a positive charge on the nitrogen atom. Therefore, it is a better example. Deviation. The mixture which show the positive deviation from Raoult's law. Let us assuming AB mixture is formed by the mixing of AA liquid and BB liquid, and AB liquid interaction energy is less than AA or BB. Such type of solution show the positive deviation. Here in the given options, ethanol and acetone show the positive deviation. Why? Because when we are adding the acetone to the ethanol, the formation of hydrogen bond strength is decreases. Therefore, interaction energy decreases. Therefore, it shows the positive deviation. But in case of benzene and toluene, it is the ideal solution. It does not show any deviation. And acetone and chloroform, it shows the negative deviation. And chloroethane and bromoethane, it is a form of ideal solution. It form a ideal solution. Therefore, the right answer is A. Next. Which of the following is incorrect order of increasing field strength of ligands to form a coordination compound? Here, if you know the spectrochemical series, this question become very easy. Otherwise, it is difficult. It is completely memory based. It is also directly from inside the book. The least field ligand is SCN minus, and next strong one is F minus, and the next strong one is oxalate ion, and more strong one is Cn minus ion. Therefore, the right answer is A. What is the right answer? Right answer is A. Next. Which of the following is a basic amino acid? Here, the amino acid which have the more NH2 groups than the COOH group, such type of amino acids are basic amino acids. It is a completely memory based question. Here the lysine having the more NH2 groups than the COOH group. Here lysine having the 2 NH2 groups and 1 COOH group. Therefore the basic amino acid is lysine. Next, see the question number 28. HCl was passed through a solution of CaCl2, MgCl2 and NaCl. Which of the following compound or compounds crystallizes? Generally, the pure form of sodium chloride is prepared in the presence of HCl due to common ion effect. The ionization of sodium chloride is decreases. Therefore, it crystallizes very quickly. Therefore, the right answer is B only. Next, which of the following is a natural polymer? Here, if you observe the synthetic rubber is a polymer of cis 1,4 polyisoprene. Therefore, the right answer is A, and the remaining B, C, D options are synthetic polymers. Therefore, the right answer is A. Now, see the question number 30. Which of the following is not a correct about carbon monoxide? It forms carboxyhemoglobin. It is the right one. When the hemoglobin is combined with the carbon monoxide, it forms a carboxyhemoglobin. Generally, hemoglobin carry the oxygen to the different parts of our body. That is called as oxyhemoglobin. If carbon monoxide percentage is more in the atmosphere, so in our body the carboxyhemoglobin is formed. Next, B, it reduces the oxygen carrying ability of blood. It is a right statement. Next, the carboxyhemoglobin is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. Generally, the carboxyhemoglobin is more stable than the oxyhemoglobin. Therefore, it is a wrong statement. Therefore, it is the right answer. Next, D, it is a produced due to incomplete combustion. It is the right statement. Therefore, wrong answer. The next session I am going to explain 31 to 45 questions. Thank you.